Welcome to Tibidabo, a breathtaking mountain located in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, we'll explore the wonders of this scenic attraction, from its panoramic views to the historic amusement park perched at the summit. Tibidabo stands tall at 512 meters, 1,680 feet above sea level, making it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking awe-inspiring vistas of Barcelona and its surroundings. The picturesque scenes here are simply unforgettable. Getting to the summit is part of the adventure, as you can take a ride on the funicular railway. This ascent offers passengers a magnificent view of the landscape as it climbs to the mountain's peak. At the summit, you'll discover the Tibidabo Amusement Park, a historic gem that first opened its doors in 1901. This amusement park ranks as one of the oldest in the world and boasts a diverse array of attractions. From thrilling roller coasters to the classic charm of a Ferris wheel, the park has something for everyone. A haunted house will give you chills, and the funicular railway offers another delightful journey up the mountain. Undoubtedly, the highlight of Tibidabo is the spectacular views it offers over Barcelona. Some of the rides may be vintage, but they're filled with character, like this old-style airplane that provides a delightful overview of the park and the city. For the thrill seekers, the Catalonia Lookout Tower is a must-visit. This towering metal structure reaches 50 meters in height, taking visitors to an awe-inspiring 551 meters above sea level. If you can conquer your fear of heights, the views from up here are absolutely worth it. Tibidabo also boasts the remarkable Temple Expiatori del Sagrat core, a neo-gothic style church that graces the Barcelona skyline. This architectural masterpiece was constructed between 1902 and 1961 and features a towering statue of Jesus Christ atop its spire. Take a leisurely spin on the Ferris wheel for classic amusement park vibes and incredible views. If you seek even greater heights, you can ascend the church terrace by stairs or use the elevator for an elevated perspective. We'll delve into more details about the church's levels in another video. So, when you're in Barcelona, make sure not to miss an unforgettable afternoon at Tibidabo. The memories you create here will stay with you for a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey to one of the most remarkable places in Spain.